Namaste children, welcome to the online class. This is Krishna Chaitanya, your physics teacher. Today's topic: effect of roughness on frictional force. Materials required for this activity: wooden plank, cloth, sand and a pencil. These are the four materials required for this activity. Arrange an inclined plane as shown in the screen. Use a wooden board as inclined surface. Put a mark at any point on the inclined plane. Now release the pencil from that point. Note the distance covered by the pencil from the bottom of the inclined plane. Now spread a cloth over the floor. Repeat the same with the pencil and note the distance covered by the pencil from the bottom of the plane. Now spread the sand on the surface and repeat the same procedure with pencil and note the distance covered by the pencil from the bottom of the plane. From these three we can conclude: on smooth surface the pencil covers maximum distance, and on the cloth surface it covers less distance when compared to the first case, and on the sand surface it covers less distance due to more friction acting on this particular sand surface. Now take a book, place it on the table and apply some force. It moves some distance and stops due to friction. Many surfaces looks like perfect planes, but they have many irregularities in between the two surfaces. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces. If we press two surfaces harder, the irregularities get interlocked and increases the friction between the two surfaces. A rough surface is more irregular than the smooth surface, hence it has more friction than a smooth surface. Thank you, children.